morning, everyone. We're holding page 15. Which one? 15? In the Siddur. The first thing we say, Olam Yehei Adam. You should be a mensch. Yirei Shamayim and a God-fearing. So the question is, what does it mean you should be a mensch and God-fearing? A mensch and God-fearing. Could I be a mensch without God-fearing, and can I be God-fearing without being a mensch? So Rav Hillel Paracha used to say, the word in Chassidus goes like this: Ver is a Yirei Shamayim, ver is a balabos evzich. In order to be a God-fearing person, you need to be control over yourself. In other words, if you can't control yourself, if you can't control your character and your instincts, then you can't be God-fearing. So God-fearing is an expression of Adam. In other words, you cannot be a mensch, God-fearing, if you're not a mensch. What does a mensch mean? The Torah says there's 4 expressions in Torah to say a mensch. 1 is Adam, 2 is Ish, 3 is Enosh, and 4 is Gever. They all mean mensch. The difference is Adam is the ultimate level of a mensch, that he has full capacity of his intellect, and he uses his full capacity of his intellect to control and channel his emotional character traits. Then he's Adam. If he's missing his full capacity of intellect and he's only emotional, he's Ish. And if he's lacking in both, he's Enosh. Enosh means weak. And Gever means he realizes how weak he is and he's trying to overcome it and can change it. But Adam means that he's complete. Adam is the numerical value of 45, which is the name of God, which is spelled Mem-He. So Ma, which is 45, means I realize, Nachnu Ma, who am I? I am total a channel of God. So therefore, what does he say? In order to be a mensch, you need to have full capacity of your intellect, that you're working with your mind, and that your emotional person is also. Once you're a mensch, then you can be God-fearing. You can't say, I'm a God-fearing, not mensch. Or as they say, there is a Talmudic expression, what is called a foolish chassid. A fool chassid, a chassid that's foolish. He goes and he's walking by the water, and he sees a woman drowning in the water. So he's a chassid. He says, I don't touch women. So since I don't touch women, I can't save this woman. That's called a foolish chassid. Why? Because this is not a time that a person should say, oh, I'm a chassid. No, if a woman is drowning in the water, you have to jump in and take her out and save her. This is the wrong time. The same thing is when it comes to saving Jews from Yiddishkeit. Usually you say, who am I to speak to a woman? I'm a man. Men don't speak to women. They even don't speak to their wives. How many men do you see speaking to their wives even? It's so hard to get them to talk. Texting they could do, but speaking to your wife is unbelievable. Therefore, the Torah says no. If you want to be a true God-fearing person, first you have to be a mensch. First you have to control your intellect, control your desires, control who you are. And now once you're Adam, once you're a mensch, and your intellect and your emotion is fully exposed and fully controlled, now you're a Shamayim, now you can be God-fearing. But don't tell me you're God-fearing and you pray to God 5 times a day, and meanwhile murder people davening in shul with talis and tefillin. Well, I pray to God. That's not God-fearing. That's anti-God, and it's God-bearing and God-hearing, and it's opposite. A God-fearing means he has to be a mensch. Then you can be God-fearing. May Hashem help us. We should truly be mentioned, and therefore will truly be God-fearing in a revealed way. Amen.
Amen. Amen.